Hey there, food lovers. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a sandwich that's as healthy as it is delicious. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure, crafting a grilled veggie sandwich with herb spread that's bursting with flavor and goodness. This ain't your ordinary veggie sandwich. It's a celebration of fresh, vibrant ingredients grilled to perfection. Imagine sinking your teeth into juicy grilled vegetables, their smoky sweetness enhanced by a tangy herbaceous spread. Each bite is an explosion of textures and flavors, a delightful dance between soft bread, crisp veggies, and creamy spread. This sandwich is a symphony for your senses, and the best part, it's incredibly easy to make. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is your ticket to a satisfying and healthy meal. So fire up that grill, grab your freshest veggies, and let's get cooking. Get ready to impress yourself and your taste buds with this simple, healthy, and utterly delicious grilled veggie sandwich with herb spread. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright, let's gather our colorful cast of characters. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of garden fresh vegetables, and trust me, it's going to be a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. For this recipe, we're going for vibrant fresh veggies that'll shine on the grill. Picture a rainbow of colors and a symphony of flavors coming together in perfect harmony. Think bell peppers in all their glory. Red, yellow, orange. The more colorful, the better. These beauties not only add a pop of color, but also bring a sweet, slightly tangy flavor that caramelizes beautifully on the grill. Next up, we've got zucchini, those long green beauties that grill up oh so tender. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable that absorbs flavors wonderfully, making it a perfect candidate for our grilling adventure. And let's not forget about eggplant, the star of the show, with its meaty texture and smoky flavor when grilled. Eggplant is a fantastic vegetable that transforms on the grill, becoming tender and rich, with a slightly smoky taste that pairs well with our herb spread. But hold on, we're not just talking veggies here. To elevate our grilled vegetables, we need a killer herb spread that will tie all these flavors together and add a burst of freshness. We need a killer herb spread to bring it all together. Grab some Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and adds a lovely tang that complements the smoky flavors of the grilled vegetables. Greek yogurt is our base, but if you're going vegan, a plant-based yogurt alternative works like a charm. It provides the same creamy texture and tangy flavor without any dairy. If you're going vegan, a plant-based yogurt alternative works like a charm. There are plenty of options available, from almond-based to coconut-based yogurts, so choose your favorite and let's get mixing. Now for the stars of our spread, fresh herbs. Fresh herbs are what will give our spread that vibrant, aromatic quality that will make our grilled vegetables sing. Basil, parsley, dill, chives, whatever tickles your fancy. These herbs not only add flavor, but also bring a burst of color and freshness to our dish. And of course, a squeeze of lemon juice for that citrusy zing, and a glug of good quality olive oil for richness and heart-healthy fats. Remember, fresh is best. The lemon juice adds a bright, tangy note, while the olive oil brings a smooth, rich texture. Opt for vibrant, firm veggies and plump, fragrant herbs. The fresher your ingredients, the better your dish will taste. Look for vegetables that are firm to the touch and herbs that are bright and fragrant. This is all about letting those natural flavors sing. When you use fresh, high-quality ingredients, you don't need to do much to make them taste amazing. Just a little bit of seasoning and a good grill is all it takes. Now that we've got our ingredients prepped and ready, let's fire up that grill and get cooking. The grill is where the magic happens, transforming our fresh vegetables into a delicious, smoky, and slightly charred masterpiece. So let's get those veggies on the grill and watch them transform into something truly special. Grilling veggies is like painting with fire. It's all about getting those beautiful char marks while keeping them tender and juicy. The key is to balance the heat and timing just right. First things first, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. This step is crucial because a properly heated grill ensures that your vegetables cook evenly and get those lovely grill marks. You want those grates nice and hot to get a good sear on the veggies. A hot grill also helps to lock in the flavors and juices, making your veggies taste even better. While the grill heats up, let's prep our veggie stars. Fresh, vibrant vegetables are the heart of this dish, So choose the best you can find. Slice the bell peppers into thick strips about an inch wide. This size is perfect for grilling as it allows the peppers to cook through without falling apart. Cut the zucchini lengthwise into planks, about half an inch thick. This thickness ensures that the zucchini cooks evenly and gets those beautiful grill marks. And for the eggplant, slice it into rounds, again about half an inch thick. Eggplant can be tricky to grill, but with the right thickness, it becomes tender and delicious. Now, here's the secret to perfectly grilled veggies. A little drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. The olive oil helps to prevent sticking and adds a rich flavor. Toss those veggie slices with a generous glug of olive oil, ensuring they're nicely coated. This step is essential for even cooking and to enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables. This not only prevents sticking but also helps them develop those gorgeous grill marks. The oil creates a barrier that keeps the veggies from drying out. Then, season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It brings out the best in the vegetables. Remember, we're going for flavor. The right amount of seasoning can make a world of difference. Once the grill is nice and hot, carefully lay those veggie slices onto the grates. Now let them be. It's important to give them time to develop those char marks. We want those beautiful char marks, so resist the urge to poke or prod. Let the grill do its magic, and soon you'll have perfectly grilled veggies that are both tender and flavorful. After a few minutes, you can start to flip the vegetables. Look for those grill marks as a sign that they're ready to be turned. If needed, you can brush a little more olive oil on the veggies to keep them moist and enhance their flavor. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme towards the end of grilling. Once they're done, transfer the veggies to a platter and garnish with fresh herbs. This not only adds flavor, but also makes the dish look even more appetizing. Serve your grilled veggies as a side dish or even as a main course. They're perfect for any occasion, from casual family dinners to festive gatherings. Enjoy the tender, juicy, and flavorful grilled vegetables. Each bite is a testament to the magic of grilling. Happy grilling and bon appetit! While our veggies are working their magic on the grill, let's take a moment to appreciate the symphony of colors and aromas that are filling the air. The vibrant reds, greens, and yellows of the vegetables are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a promise of the deliciousness to come. Now let's whip up a herb spread that's so good, you'll want to eat it with a spoon. This spread is not just a condiment, it's a celebration of fresh, vibrant flavors that can elevate any dish. Imagine dipping a spoon into this creamy, herbaceous delight and savoring each bite. It's the kind of spread that makes you close your eyes and smile with every taste. In a bowl, combine a cup of Greek yogurt or your favorite plant-based alternative. Greek yogurt is thick, creamy, and tangy, making it the perfect base for our herb spread. If you're going plant-based, there are plenty of delicious alternatives that work just as well. Add a generous handful of chopped fresh herbs. Fresh herbs are the stars of this spread, bringing a burst of flavor and a touch of elegance to every bite. Think basil for its sweetness, parsley for its freshness. Basil adds a sweet, slightly peppery flavor that pairs beautifully with the tangy yogurt, while parsley brings a clean, bright taste that lightens up the spread. Dill for its delicate anise flavor. Dill has a unique, slightly sweet flavor with a hint of anise that adds depth and complexity to the spread. And chives for a subtle oniony kick. Chives bring a mild onion flavor that adds a bit of sharpness without overpowering the other herbs. You can use one, two, or all of them. It's your herb party. Feel free to experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. Now squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for a burst of citrusy brightness. Lemon juice adds a zesty, refreshing note that cuts through the richness of the yogurt and brings all the flavors together. This will not only add zing, but also help balance out the richness of the yogurt. The acidity of the lemon juice enhances the flavors of the herbs and makes the spread more vibrant and lively. Drizzle in a tablespoon of olive oil for its heart-healthy fats and a luxurious texture. Olive oil adds a smooth, silky texture to the spread and a rich, fruity flavor that complements the herbs beautifully. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. A pinch of salt and a dash of pepper are all you need to bring out the flavors of the herbs and yogurt. Give everything a good stir until well combined. Make sure all the herbs are evenly distributed throughout the yogurt so you get a burst of flavor in every bite. And there you have it, a vibrant, flavorful herb spread that's ready to take your sandwich to the next level. This spread is perfect for sandwiches, wraps, or even as a dip for fresh veggies. Set the herb spread aside and let those flavors meld while the veggies finish grilling. The longer the spread sits, the more the flavors will develop and intensify. Trust me, the anticipation will be worth it. When you finally get to taste the grilled vegetables with the herb spread, you'll understand why this combination is a match made in culinary heaven. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary. Join us for more valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Click that subscribe button for more interesting facts and delicious recipes.